There are places you leave, and there are places you run from. I didn't tell anyone where I was going, not because I couldn't, but because if I did, they would find me. People think starting over is brave, like it's something clean, something hopeful, but they don't see this part. The part where you have nothing. No money, no plan, no one. Just you and everything you're trying to forget. My name is Anemone Heliotrope, and this is the life I chose. I wasn't supposed to live like this, but staying wasn't an option anymore. They started texting before I even got far. Where are you? Anemone, answer me. You can't just disappear like this. Go home now. If you don't, we're freezing your account. Every simoleon gone. They knew exactly what to say. Because they knew I had nothing else. But they were wrong about one thing. They thought I needed it. I didn't. Because I wasn't going back. This place, they call it Ceyerto. It's quiet. Too quiet. Maybe. But that's exactly what I needed. No one here knows me. No one here knows what I did or what was done to me. And I'd like to keep it that way. Of course, they didn't stop at messages. Unknown number. I already know.
Hello, this is a representative from your bank. We're calling to inform you that your account has been temporarily restricted.
Temporarily. That's a nice way of saying I just lost everything.
We received an authorization request linked to your account. Until this is resolved, you won't be able to access your funds.
Authorization. They always did like controlling things.
If you'd like to dispute this, we recommend returning to your registered address.
No. That won't be necessary. Going back was never an option. Not after everything. If starting over means losing everything, then I'll start from nothing. So, this is what starting over looks like. No house, no furniture, no safety net. No way back. They made sure of that. 0. Not even enough for a meal. I used to think money was security. Turns out it was just another leash. And now I'm finally off it. Step 1. Survive. Not thrive. Not dream. Just survive. Food. Something to sell. Maybe a place to rest. Basic things feel different when you've never had to fight for them before. I won't. But for a second, I almost turned back. Just one call. One apology. And everything would be easy again. No. Easy isn't always safe. They'll probably say I'm ungrateful, that I had everything. They don't know what everything felt like. I don't want to remember. I saw a flower, a tulip, just there, growing quietly like it belonged. I don't know why I walked toward it, but I did. I pulled it out carefully, like it was something I could keep, something I could grow. But then I just stood there, holding it, not knowing what to do next. So I threw it away. Why did I do that? I thought I needed it. I thought I could turn it into something. Maybe. I don't know how to keep things alive. I found a rock. Not special, just sitting there, half buried in the ground. But I stopped anyway, because I needed something. Anything. So I dug. With my hands, at first. Then slower, more careful. Like there might be something hidden under it. Something useful. Something worth keeping. There wasn't much. Just fragments. Small, rough, and unimpressive. But I kept them anyway. Because right now, even the smallest things matter. Not everything here feels empty. I almost missed it. A small sprout, barely pushing through the ground. A cherry tree. Wild, I think. It looked fragile. Like it didn't belong here either. I stared at it for a while, thinking maybe I could take it or plant it somewhere else, keep it, but I didn't move. I already know what happens when I take something that isn't mine. I throw it away, like the tulip. So I left it, right where it chose to grow. Some things don't need saving, just space to survive. I need to slow down. My steps don't feel steady anymore, like the ground keeps shifting when it isn't. I almost slipped. Focus. Just walk. One step, then the next. I can't afford to fall. I saw it before I realized what it was. An onion. Food. I didn't move at first. I just stood there, looking at it, remembering the tulip. How I took it and threw it away like it meant nothing. Why do I do that? No, this is different. This isn't something pretty. This is something I need. So I stepped closer, and this time, I didn't hesitate. I picked it up properly, held on to it. At least this time, I didn't throw it away. Voices. People. Of course. New place. New neighbors. They come to welcome you. I'm not ready for that. Not like this. Hungry. Dirty. Holding something I just pulled out of the ground. They're waiting. I could go. Smile. Pretend I'm fine. Or I could stay right here. I just got here. I don't even know who I am yet. How am I supposed to let anyone else know me? Whatever. I moved before I could change my mind. There was a girl. Red hair, holding food. I think her name was Nina Caliente. I was about to say something. Anything. but I stopped. I turned away, walked a few steps, then laughed. Why am I like this? I tried again, just practicing how to stand, how to look normal, how to be someone people don't question. Okay, just talk. So I did.
Funiata, John Josanessa, Bahira, Shangaglamol, Yorin, Anduma, Zonsko, Jabi,
Shisma, Topica, Panabi, Panawa Solanu, Inapobar.
I didn't expect my voice to sound like that. Too fast, too much. I started talking, and I didn't stop. About hate, about the place, about nothing. Or maybe everything. Like I was saying more than I should. Okay, that's enough. I need to stop. I really need to get going before I ruin my social life on day 1. I saw it from a distance. A wild blackberry bush. Not much, but enough food. I started walking toward it. Then, not now. That feeling again. Why does everything happen at the worst time?
Morga! Oh, Stoon.
Oh, that feeling again. Why am I so unlucky? They are texting me again? I must stay, no matter what. Not now. Of all times. There has to be something.
Grebo!
A restroom? A public building? Anything. Nothing. I know they won't welcome me. I'm a stranger. How can I trust a stranger like me?
Vikara Woga!
I only have this open space. Just heat and silence. Keep walking. Maybe around a corner. These are those moments that you began asking yourself, did I do the wrong thing? I made it. I'm still here. And tomorrow, I start earning my life. I woke up in the middle of the night because I must get this out of my system. No. I couldn't hold it.
Oh, Dravoy plus!
I just stood there, hoping that it wasn't real. But it was. So I moved quietly. I tried to fall asleep. I really did. I can feel it now. The dust, the sweat, it clings to my skin like it belongs there. I don't even have water to spare. Maybe I can sleep now. And then there's the smell. It's faint at first, then it isn't. It follows me, sits with me. I didn't think hunger would feel like this. It's not just the stomach. It's in your head, your chest, your patience. Every step feels heavier. Every thought slower.
Ah.
I used to ignore meals without thinking. Now, I do anything just to feel full.
Sunny!
I'm hungry, smelly, dirty, and clumsy. That's Anemone. At least I made it tonight. Maybe I can sleep now, alone. I still woke up smelly, dirty, clumsy, hungry, and no money. And also grumpy.
Yaug.
Maybe for today,
Oh.
I'll go fishing. I don't know. I don't even know if I can. Let us see if I can survive this day again. Dirty, clumsy, everything. Almost fell. That's life.